Welcome to Friday's Market Wrap-Up here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley. My call sign is Wiz, and what a great week we had here at Top Gun Options trading this market. It's pretty funny to essentially see all the, quote, smart money and the naysayers out there. Guys, gals, you trade the market you have, not the market that you want. And it seems like, everybody from JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs trying to, put a damp blanket earlier in the week saying, hey, there are economic risks mounting against Trump's agenda, blah, blah, blah. JP Morgan saying, we just can't stay awake in this market. There's nothing changing the equity narrative. They're doing their best to talk this market down, and it's not working. Stocks are up. Good meeting with Prime Minister Abe, it looks like. We had a great week this week with our weekly options in a day. Many of our members made, what was it, $1,600, $1,700, 75% profit. I put out a bull put spread yesterday on Trump's tax news. This was yesterday, and it expires on March 3rd. This trade still has a lot of time to go. What's 935? This trade's already up $525, $550 since yesterday. Okay, and I covered this yesterday in my Trading the Trump Rally brief. If you didn't get a chance to attend, you can watch it right here. Go.topgunoptions.com/trials-replay. Okay, why trials-replay? Because this is where you can start a 14-day test flight into what we do here at TGO. Accelerated retirement, intermediate trading, or our weekly options and primary live trade brief in kind of that advanced section. For the price of a bottle of Pinot Grigio for the weekend, you can get a 2-week test flight into trades that are potentially making those two SPX trades that I put out on Monday, the weekly options trades. If you had taken them to expiration today, you'd be up about $4,000 on about 10 grand in risk. Real quick, little science math. That's about a 40% return in a week. So we're having a blast. They can do whatever they want to do. They can't talk this market down. After JP Morgan sent out this note, I think it was Wednesday night, hey, we're bored. Nothing's really going on. Trump out of the blue, off the turnbuckle. Huge, phenomenal, something phenomenal on taxes in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Wiz puts on a bull put spread out 3 weeks. Okay, I don't think he's going to underwhelm. The guy does seem to talk big, and people are like, there's no way he's going to hit that high bar. And then he tends to overachieve it. His Goldman Sachs heavy Khan is crafting this tax policy. But again, look at the journal here. Phenomenal. Waiting around as market searches for direction. Market pattern shows the risk of a gap emerging between expectations and reality. I've covered this extensively, folks. This is the hope rally. We hope this guy is going to do what he said he's going to do. Then the same idiots that said Clinton's going to win, and if Trump wins, the market implodes, 10%. Wrong. Said the same thing here. They said sell the inauguration. And here we go. So I don't know what it's going to take for these people to wake up who make hundreds of millions of dollars a year as portfolio managers at these big houses. Knock it off, guys. Either get on board or just keep your mouth shut, because some of us are enjoying trading this market as it goes up. Having said that, we obviously have to have an ejection seat, whether it's buying some puts on the S&P 500. Buying a bullish double vertical on VXX, getting long volatility in case something creepy happens. But I got to tell you, folks, a picture's worth 1,000 words. All these folks that are saying it's boring or there's nothing going on got all of this wrong. So stop listening to them. Start listening to somebody who actually knows what they're talking about, okay? So, again, you can watch the replay from yesterday here, go.topgunoptions.com/trials-replay, or you can just go to our homepage and grab one of the trials, right? Just scroll down a little bit. It's your standard ski slope nomenclature, right? Beginner, intermediate, advanced, beginner, intermediate, advanced, and just grab a 2-week test flight, folks, and see what we're doing here. Again, the smart money couldn't be any more wrong. Now, a broken clock's right twice a day, right? So eventually, if the market, and when the market, which I believe it will, maybe consolidate or pull back, they're going to be on CNBC beating their chest about how right they were. They've been wrong since the summer when they've been predicting a Clinton victory and a market rally. They got it all wrong, man. So stop listening. Stop reading this stuff. Get on board TGO. I will brief you on what's really going on in this market and show you how to potentially make incredible outsized profits. Our JP Morgan trade, the urgent alert portfolio, is up 25 grand in about 8 months, averaging $3,000 a month in this one trade. and this the JP Morgan trade that I put on about a month or two ago is up $5,000. The Goldman Sachs trade I showed you yesterday in the primary live trade brief portfolio is up today. It's up $9,500, almost $10,000 in 2 months. So again, broken record. I'll get going here, but it annoys me to hear just all the negativism and then see the tape. Well, it doesn't annoy me because I trade it and we're making money here at TGO in our portfolios. But it just annoys me that a lot of retail traders who aren't members listen to it, and you're sitting there either on the sidelines or getting bearish, and you're losing money and opportunity, okay? So go to our homepage, take a test flight. Other than that, have a great weekend. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. I'll be back with Monday's Market Outlook and also our weekly Options Live Trade Brief at 1 o'clock. We'll see you.